5 milk jugs with 2 layers of denim on the front.
Well, let's see the exit wound from that one. There it is.
This?
Is that it?
No.
No, that's not it. I thought I heard it rattling around.
Oh, there it is.
You got it?
Yep.
Third one.